Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about the concept of probability standard 10, that is event. Before that we must know the favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes are the outcomes which satisfy a particular condition and that condition is given and which outcomes we will take, that is called as favorable outcomes. For example, a die is thrown, then the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and if a favorable outcome for condition for favorable outcome is given as only odd numbers, this is the condition, means we have to choose only odd numbers from this, that is 1, 3 and 5. Then such outcomes, that is 1, 3 and 5, that is called as favorable outcomes for this condition. And now event, a set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is called an event. Here the condition for event A, suppose always events are denoted by capital alphabets. Suppose this event A condition is given as only odd numbers. Then we already know the odd numbers 1, 3, 5 from this sample space, and this set denoted by letter A, which is used for event. And here favorable outcomes, first we understand the favorable outcome, then we can write down the event according to given condition. And according to the given condition we write first event and then number of event. Here A is the event and number of event A, that is equal to 3, because here 3 sample points we choose for this condition, and that's why number of A is equal to 3. And here number of S is equal to 6, number of sample points 6. According to the condition given, there are some events. First event, certain event which are given in your textbook, but that's not asked in exam, only for information. Certain event, sure event, at that time number of S is equal to number of that event. Second one, impossible event. In this event the set of favorable outcomes is none, means 5, empty set. Third one, simple elementary event. In this event the number of event chosen, that is only single. Next one, complement of an event. When we choose an event, then the remaining sample points, when we take another event, that is called as complement of an event. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, but they are for only information, means in exam they will not ask, and that's why not necessary to deep study. Now we have to solve the questions using this event and samples points. Again I repeat here, favorable outcomes means the outcomes which satisfy the particular condition given, and the set of favorable outcomes of given sample space, it is called as event. And now we have to write the events in next practice set. Practice set 5.3. Question number 1. What is question? Write yes. Yes means sample space, number of yes, number of A, number of B and number of C after writing that events A, B, C. The first example given, that is, see the first example, one die is rolled. The random experiment is given as one die is rolled, and that's why we have to write its sample space. S is equal to, as die is rolled means we have to take the sample points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the sample space. Then number of S means here number of S is equal to 6 as there are 6 sample points. Now the first part of that question is event A, even number on the upper face. Means we want only even number for event A. From this sample space we choose the even numbers. They are 2, 4 and 6, and that's why this event A is 2, 4, 6. Now the number of A, that is equal to 3 as there are 3 sample points in this event A, 1, 2 and 3. Now see the second event B, odd number on the upper face. Now we have to choose only odd numbers. They are 1, 3 and 5. And that's why samples event B, that is 1, 3 and 5. Number of B is equal to 3 again. Now the event C, prime number on the upper face. Now we have to choose only prime numbers. The prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. We already know what is meant by prime number, which is not divisible other than that number itself. The numbers are 2, 3 and 5. Again the number of event C, that is also 3. In this way we write the answers by using blue pen, means you can understood that. Next one is 2 dice rolled simultaneously. First of all we have to write the sample space like this way, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. The meaning of this is that 1 on first die and 1 on second die, 1 on first die, 2 on second die. We already learned how to write that sample space in previous video. And at last 6, 6 means on both die there is number 6. Here total number of yes is equal to 36. Total number of yes is equal to 36. Now the event A condition, event A is equal to the sum of digits on upper face is multiple of 6. What are the multiple of 6? That is 6, 12, 24 and so 24, 30, 36 and so on. Means we have to choose such pair of numbers such that their sum of digits is multiple of 6. Now if suppose we take the sum of digits 1 plus 1, 2, that is not 6. And according to this is 6 only. Here 6. Its multiple of, again this pair is 6. Again this pair is 6. Again 3 plus 5, 8, 3 plus 6, 9. In this way when we take out the sum, that is 4, 2 sum is 6. Again 5, 1 sum is 6. Now the sum of above all, that is 5 plus 6, 11. 6 plus 1, 7. And onward this sum is only 12, that is 6, 6. Means in this way we write the event A like this way. The first pair will be 1, 5. Second pair 2, 4. Third pair 3, 3. Fourth pair 4, 2. Fifth pair 5, 1. Sixth one, that is 6, 6. Means up to sum 12 there are numbers. This sum is not required. And that is not necessary to write that multiples. Means event A contain the numbers, sample points 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 6. Therefore number of A is equal to how many sample points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means we write here number of A is equal to 6. Now the event B, the sum of digits on upper faces is minimum 10. Means we may allow 10, 11, 12 and onward. Means we have to take the sum of digits and that is minimum 10. minimum 10 means we have to start from directly here 4 6, because up to this the sum is 9. 4 4 8, here 3 6 9, means we take the first pair as 4 6, means we write the event B 4 6. Second pair, that will be 5 5, because other numbers that are less than 10. Then 5 6, after that 6 4, after that 6 5, and last one, that is 6 6. See here, these are the only pairs: 4 6, 5 5, 5 6, 6 4, 6 5, and 6 6. And that's why here we write number of B is equal to, again, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, means here 6 sample points are there. Now the next one, event C, the same digits on the upper faces, means both die have same digits, like this way: 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, and onward. Therefore here we write C is equal to 1 1, 2 2, third one 3 3, next 4 4, next 5 5, and last one 6 6. Therefore number of C is equal to, again, the number of sample points: 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 6. In this way we solve two examples. Now we are taking third example. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Already we know how to write sample space. S is equal to 3 coins. First, suppose all heads. Next one, H T, means third coin tail only. Then second coin tail. After that, first coin tail, means, and next one, two tails, means H T T. And next one, that is THT, again TTH, and last one TTT. Means here we have to take all possibilities according to the head and tail. If we count the sample points, they will be 8. Now what is condition for event A? To get at least 2 heads, means we require at least 2 heads. We may allow 3 heads, means this 3 head point that will be there, H. Again 2 heads means HT. Next one HTH, THH, and last one, okay, here we will finish, means minimum 2 heads, and here 3 heads. Therefore number of A is equal to 4. The condition for event B, to get no head, means we have to choose the sample point. There will be only tail, that is only one, that is TTT. Means we have to write only one sample point there. Number of B is equal to only 1. Next one, condition for event C, to get head on second coin. C is equal to head on second coin, means at center there will be H. We have HT. Next one, this THH. Next one, that is THT, because we want H on second coin. Number of C is equal to, again, 4. Means in this way we write the sample points. Here we write the sample points like this way. Now the next example, question number 4. 2 digits are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of digits. Means we have to form the 2-digit numbers that containing these digits, but we do not repeat the digits, means 1 1 2 2, that is not allowed it. First we write the sample space. Starting from 1 at tens place, we obtain 110 means 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next number we start from 2, that is 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. Now we start from 3. Again here we obtain 30, 31, 32, 34, 35. Now we start from 4, 40, 41, 42, 43 and 45, and at last we start from 5, 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. Means in this way we write the sample space, and now we count that numbers how many form, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 and 25. Means in this way total number of sample points 25. Now condition for event A is given. The number form is even, means we have to choose only even numbers from this sample space, that will be our event A. That is here 10, 12, 14, 20, 24. Next one, that is 30, 32, 34, 40, 42. Next one, that is 50, 52 and 54. Now we are counting here how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Means in this way we obtain the numbers that is equal to 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 12 13 14 15. 13. Next one, see the example. The number form is divisible by 3. Means we have to take the number only divisible by 3, means that sum of digits is multiple of 3, that is 12. After that 15, 21, 24, 30, next 30, next one that is 42, 45, again 5 and 1 means 51 and 54. Therefore number of B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Means in this way we write that events. Last one, event C. The number form is greater than 50. Means we have to choose the numbers greater than 50. There are only 4 numbers, 51, 52, 53 and 54. Means in this way number of C is equal to 4. Now we are taking the next question, question number 5. From 3 men and 2 women, environmental committee is to be 2 persons is to be formed. Suppose 2 men, that is M1 and M2, M3, 3 men, and women, that is W1, W2. Now using these all 5 persons, we have to form the environmental committee of 2 persons, and that's why we have to write the first environmental committee like this way. S is equal to, first suppose M1, M2, that both men are there, then M1 to M3, then M1 to W1, next one M1, W2, next one start from M2, we obtain M2, M3. Next one M2 W1, M2 W2. Now start from M3, we obtain M3 W1 and M3 W2. Means in this way, how many committees will be formed possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see again M1, M2, M1, M3, M1 W1, M1 W2. Next one M2, M3, M2 W1, M2 W2. Now M3 W1, M3 W2 and last one, that is W1 W2. W1 W2, last one. Means how many committees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Therefore number of yes is equal to 10. Now the condition for event A, there must be at least one woman member. Means that committee should contain at least one woman, means W should be there, like this way, M1 W1, M2 W1, again M1 W2, M2 W2, M3 W1, M3 W2 and last one W1 W2, because two women may be allowed. Means M1 W1, M1 W2, M2 W1, M2 W2, M3 W1, M3 W2. Means we have to choose W should be there for woman. Number of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next one, event B, one man and one woman committee is to be formed. Means we have to choose the sample points such that there should be M and W, both should be there. One woman and one man, means like this way, M1 W1. Next one, that is M1 W2. Next one M2 W1. Next one M2 W2. Next one M3 W1, M3 W2. Means now we count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and therefore number of B is equal to 6. Number of B is equal to 6. Now next event for C, that is there should be a woman member. There should not be a woman member. Means in this committee only men will be there, like this way. The first one M1 M2, next one M1 M3, next one that is M2 M3. Means only 3 committees will be formed there. Therefore number of C is equal to 3. Now we are taking the last example from the practice set. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Means we have to take one coin and one die. Then at that time sample space will be, suppose, head on coin and 1 on die. Head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. Now tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5 and tail 6. Means in this way there are totally 12 sample points. Now we have to choose the events to get head and odd number. Means head we require and odd number we require, and that's why we have to choose odd numbers from this H series. that is H1, H3 and H5, because here head is there and odd numbers are there. Therefore, number of A is equal to 3. Now the next event, condition for event A, to get head or tail and even number, means either head or tail but even number, means we obtain here, count the even numbers, that is H2, H4, H6. Now take tail, tail 2, tail 4 and tail 6, means here total number of sample points, that is equal to 6. Now the event C, number on the upper face is greater than 7, tail on the coin. Now here if you observe the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because there are only 6 possible outcome for die and there is no greater than 7 number, means we can't obtain such event, such sample points for this event. Therefore write down that event C as empty, means number of C is equal to 0, means here we can represent that event by empty set as 5. Means in this video we learn how to solve the practice set 5.3. In next video you will see the next practice set and next concept of probability.